Okay.
What is up, everybody? So you might be wondering why I haven't been making videos for a long time, so I'm just explaining it here. Basically, I just been kind of just focusing on myself being. I do want to know what you guys have been up to, so post in the comments below. Let me know if you missed the videos or not. But anyway, we're headed to ISP to go check out this meet. There's supposed to be a whole bunch of Lamborghinis, a whole bunch of badass cars. I don't know if we're gonna stay for the racing because that's pretty late, but we're still gonna go there, check out some sick cars. So let's go.
Your grandma has teeth, and she doesn't even take them to the car wash.
That's because she lost her Xbox about 2 months ago.
I kind of just, not even gonna lie, I missed you guys. So just come close to the computer. Give me a hug. Oh, that's freaking sick. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to pull up to the meet. You guys see anybody's car that you know, or your car yourself? I want you guys to comment down below which car that's yours, which car is whoever you knows.
Whoever you knows.
Whoever you know. But
We got a GTR. Nice.
so if you see any cars that you know, post a comment below, and then also share this video to all your friends and also they can see their cars.
And your family, like your grandma, your uncle, your third cousin, any of that.
Just anybody you know. Okay, we next to the Raptor, you know what I'm saying? This thing's icy. What'd you say, dude?
And clean up that pudding spill.
You can't really see it right now, but Chris spilled pudding all over his car because he's a crazy guy.
Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Let's see so many motherfuckers wanna take a piece. Coming equipped with some shit, niggas just can't believe. I pull a trick from my sleeve, now kamikaze, I'm all over that nigga. Now come identify the body. I'm middle finger to you hoe niggas. Run up on me and I'll be forced to let it go, nigga. I ain't the one you wanna try. Why? Staying high, hit the button, watch these motherfuckers die. Who's running the streets? I say they cocaine. Cause in the dope game, niggas that die for they go propane. Another hustler making major cash. To the punk police, come raid your ass. Now you stretched to a fair time. And it's a bitch cause the judge gave you 8 years. You doing 6 and we know that you can't hang. You a trick roll over, turn snitch like a bitch. Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? But the niggas just a little bigger. Tryna fuck me out my cash, I'm a blast, nigga. You don't know I gotta tell you like the last nigga. Got a nigga, don't need to. Stop playing when I lose, nigga, and ooh. Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, so what's up?
Alright guys, so this is gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button too. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.